Hello folks, thanks for visiting Active Automotive, and in particular our Qashqai 1.2 Auto. This one's an N-Tech Plus with a very good spec, and I'll try and show you that as I walk around. The car is just a two-owner from new with 2 keys, full service history, and comes with an RAC National Parts and Labour warranty. We don't charge admin fees here. We're just pretty much old school in the fact that the price you see is the price you pay. So it includes everything. So the car is ready to go. So moving round, you can see it's in the pearlescent white, but what we've got here, we've got obviously parking sensors at the front. We also have 360 camera on this one. And they, on the side, they sit under there, under the mirror. Keyless entry, which is what this little bit here is for. Inside, hopefully the camera will adjust in a second. Yeah, it will. So as you can see, all the stitching, all the bolsters, everything is all as it should be. Moving round, you can see there's no scratches, no chips, no marks. All in great condition. True credit really to the previous owners. It comes with tinted glass. Now the privacy glass on the rear, it's not aftermarket. So it's not stuck on the inside, it is genuine glass. There are a few out there without. There we go, and as you can see inside, backs of the seats, etc., all still in great condition. Door cards, no marks. And then on this one, obviously we have the spoiler here, and then the full pan roof from the outside. I'll show you from inside shortly. Then as you come round, you still have your parking sensors in the darker area of the bumper, but when we lift up the boot here, you can see that's where your camera is in the boot. Then looking in here, we have a 1/3 and a 2/3 split, so you can fold that bigger side down or this side, it's your choice. And the Qashqais have a unique floor, so basically these 2 panels lift out. You can lift that one, or you can lift this one, or you can lift them both to give you a deeper boot. This car's obviously got the old Super Guard, which is obviously what it's had prepared in the past, but that can come with the car, we don't need to keep that. So coming around the driver's side, again you can see the wheels, etc., all in good condition this side. There's all your seats again in the back. You can see been very well looked after. Quite rare really just to get a 2-owner. We've normally had a couple more than that at this age. So then looking on the door card, electric windows on the rear, electric windows on the front, electric mirrors up here, and also electric power folding. And all you do with that, you just push that button there and you can see the mirrors fold accordingly. And push it again and out it comes. Again, the driver's seat still in great condition, no problems here at all. And let's show you from a bird's eye view. So when you sit here, you've got on here on your steering, you've got the remote for obviously the radio and so on, and then you've got this side up for your cruise control. Your wipers are this side, and then if I show you down that side, your lights are there, and you can see there these are auto lights as well. The way these start, because they're keyless, there's a little button here, foot on the brake, and there we go. So it goes through its routine. There we go, and then the system all comes up and wakes up and is alive. Fairly self-explanatory, obviously with your sat nav and so on. But what we've got here, I'll just show you how it works with the reverse and then the camera. Let's see if the phone can get it better. There we go. So basically that's picking up on the camera I showed you from the boot. These are coming from the mirrors at the side, and this one comes from the front grille. There's a little camera in there as well. Then moving down, obviously we've got dual zone climate, which means this side we can have different temperature to the other, or you can have it so they're linked like now, the way it's going now. But you can actually separate it, so this side is colder or warmer than the other. Straightforward auto, no silliness here, all as it seems. And then obviously the final nicety here, we have a full pan roof on this one. You don't have to have it with the blind all the way back. It's just a simple case here, like the button here, and then basically you can block it out or stop it wherever you wish. So I'll just turn it off. So there you have it. That is our 2-owner from new N-Tech Plus, 2 keys, full history, great spec. Please call first to avoid any disappointment. We still try and do it via appointment where possible. Thanks for looking.